There's nothing more frustrating than spending all that time and energy on having your car towed, only to find out that you could have fixed the problem yourself. Hi, I'm Rebecca Brayton and welcome to WatchMojo.com, and today we'll be giving you a few tips on how to troubleshoot an engine that won't start. If your engine won't crank, that is usually caused by a dead battery or a bad starter. Don't panic though, the problem could simply be human error. There are a few tests to see if you've done something to keep your car stationary. As a security precaution, many new models of cars won't start if the driver's seatbelt is undone. Next, verify that the key is correctly in the ignition. Test this by turning the key to the on position and then turning the steering wheel a quarter turn in each direction. Your car's alarm system could be preventing the car from starting, so make sure it's not engaged. If you drive an automatic, make sure your foot is on the brake and that the transmission is in park. If your car is manual, make sure the clutch is pressed down completely. Behind the clutch pedal is found a small button that stops the engine from starting when the car is in gear. This button is called the neutral safety switch, and if the clutch pedal does not compress the switch totally, the engine will not start. If you've checked all these issues and still nothing, there may be something wrong with your car. The first thing to check, if that is the case, is whether your car's battery is dead. If your wipers, radio, headlights, and heater fan all work properly, your battery is fine and your starter may be the problem. The next connections to check are under the hood. If any of the connections at the battery are loose enough to move, your car won't start. Try tightening or jiggling the end of the cable. Now, check the starter's connection. To find the starter, follow the battery cable from the positive battery terminal to the starter. Again, make sure this connection is tight. Stick-shift drivers have another option. They can try push starting their cars if the problem is the battery or starter. Finally, if all else fails and your engine still won't crank, call the tow truck.